teach you how to make fairy bread. First, wash your hands. These are the ingredients. Butter, peanut butter, sprinkles, and bread. First, get out the bread. Second, get the butter. Get some butter, and spread it around. Can't have too much butter. And it's gonna stick on, actually. Get the sprinkles. I'm using this kind. It's kind of fun. Now I'm gonna add rainbow sprinkles. Oh. Maybe I can just spread it and take off some. My mom just fixed it. This is the last step to cut it. Yum. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.